Hello friends, today we will once again show you how to solve a very common issue that our clients encounter after purchasing a SIGLENT oscilloscope and any extension for it. Specifically, how to activate such an extension.
Oh my god, why is it so complicated?
Don't worry, there is a special system in place that protects the devices from pirate activations. By the way, software or extension piracy, we condemn it. From our experience, I can say that our service has received oscilloscopes more than once or twice, that turning to bricks after the user's adventures under the Jolly Roger flag. And before we start our video, I'll consistently remind you to like and subscribe. Otherwise, God forbid, you might miss our next videos. So, to activate the extension, we'll need any device with network access. For convenience, let's use a laptop. And of course, the oscilloscope itself. For example, let's take a 4-channel SIGLENT SDS1104X-E series oscilloscope, because you can connect a signal generator like this to it. You can do it for free 30 times, or with the extension forever. So here are our next steps. When purchasing any extension, we will receive a PDF file like this, which will contain a link to the activation page. Here, we need to select the device model, the type of extension, the serial number of the device, which is located on the back of the case, and enter the authorization code, which is also provided in the PDF file. Next, we can generate the option key. After that, on the oscilloscope itself, we press the utility button, go to the option installation section. Enter the code.
"2,000 years later."
And install this option. And everything is ready. To check the installed option, we can press the information button. And we see that the signal generator connection is available to us in unlimited mode. So, as you can see, there's nothing complicated about it. You just need to follow our advice. And with that, our short video tutorial comes to an end. Write in the comments what questions you would like us to answer in our next videos. Take care and see you next time.